Good morning! Today a mother and her little daughter are going to cook together.
Mom, can I help you cook today?
Of course, my dear. Cooking together is fun. First, wash your hands properly.
Okay, Mom. Clean hands are important.
Please wash these vegetables.
Sure, Mom. I will wash them carefully. Mom, can I help cut the carrots?
You can help me, but be very careful. Now stir the vegetables slowly.
Wow, it smells so delicious.
You are doing a great job.
I love cooking with you, Mom.
Finally, the food is ready.
Yay, it looks so good.
From work. Wow! Something smells really good!
Dad, I helped Mom cook this for you.
Really? Thank you, my little chef!
Cooking together makes food more special.
Yes, and it tastes delicious.
Moral: helping parents and cooking together brings love and happiness.
Please like and subscribe to the Learn English Daily channel for more English learning videos.